Hello all, how are you? Of course you know who this is. It's Nadine. So I was asked to share about my experience today with my students. Today was our Cancer Smancer presentation. So I've been working with my students for the past 12 weeks. I taught them about cancer, the basics of cancer biology, and I also added a little component about how to prevent and treat cancer with herbal medicines. We weren't really able to get so much into that, but that's to come. But anyhow, so I taught them on the science side, and then I partnered with Nehanda. She lives in Germany. She's an artist. And also Aneka, who was on team to teach the kids the arts. So Nehanda would teach visual arts. Nehanda taught visual arts, and Aneka taught performing arts, because as you know, Aneka is an actress. And so she taught improv. So what we did is the kids took what I taught them and honed in their understanding and expressed it in artwork. So they chose either to do the visual arts or the performing arts or both, and we allowed them to choose whatever they wanted to choose. And they expressed themselves. Oh my God, listen, I had so much fun. So you're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this, right? So I was a part of the improv. And I was the white blood cells in the I was a part of the immune system. And so I was fighting with the cancer cells. So Nicole came on, and she was a part of the program. She helped us to make sure everything was done smoothly and stuff. And so she was like, Nadine, you have got to share. So I boogied with my students at the beginning. We danced. And I guess team, you guys might not know that I'm actually fun, but not everybody knows that. I don't reveal myself all the time. So anyhow, long story short, I had a blast with the students. They came out with different things. I feel like I learned more from them than they learned from us, right? So they did comic strip about cancer cells and normal cells and fights, and they did a song, and they did the skit, and the skit was actually written by one of the students, the one who did the comic strip. And then they also did art presentations, various art presentations, and I tell you, and one did actually a cartoon. She did a cartoon, and she did an art presentation, and her sister did an art presentation plus a poster presentation. So the students, so I made them do according to their grade level. So the younger ones, they had coloring, and they had some little things to write, and those young ones were students from ages 5 through 8, and these are the kids I met in Jamaica. When I went home, they were not in school, because school in Jamaica has been closed for some time, for over a year, and they're behind. They're way behind, and so they can't read, they can't write, and stuff like that. So I gave them stuff to do to engage them in the process, and a part of what they had to do was to color and to write. So that was their achievement, that was their accomplishment, and they came on and they spoke, and so it was. I had a blast. I had a blast, and just seeing how the kids were enjoying themselves and stuff. And so it was kids from Trinidad, from Jamaica, from the USA, and and so today was the wrap up, the finale of our Cancer Smancer program, and that's my share. I do have more to share soon, hopefully by the end of the quarter, right? Okay.